stress is getting normal to me. But I bend, don't break, I don't ask, just take. Black gloves, black tape, and I don't play nor pray. Wake up and take a piss, I hear them sharpen the knives. Main focus every day is making out here alive. Take a shower in my boots and go to sleep in my shoes. Last night I had a dream, some killers ran in my room. Trying to be patient, but nigga, I can't wait. On the chance to kill my enemies and beat my case. So when they ask me how I feel about them, I can't say. You're either with me or against me, or you're in my way. I got a pack of hungry wolves, and if I don't feed them, then they might turn on me, feel like I don't need them. I keep the best pedigree, but hell, I don't breed them. It's a lot of people scared of me, and I can't blame them. They call me crazy so much, I think I'm starting to believe them. I did some things to some people that was downright evil. Is it karma coming back to me? So much drama. My own mama turned her back on me, and that's my mom. I lost 3 people close to me in one summer. 10 years later, still don't know, shot up my palm. But I bend, I don't break, I don't ask, I take. Black gloves and black tape, nigga, it's my first day.